Hello everyone, I'm Charnel and this is an update video. I wanted to talk a little bit about what my plan is with my natural hair. I am loving having short hair. I like the fact that it doesn't take me longer than 20 minutes to to do any style on my hair. Through the trial of error of trying to figure out how to deal with my texture, how to detangle, this and that, my hair's been through a lot. So now my hair is freshly cut and it is only getting everything good that I could possibly give it. Now I'm just generally growing my hair out right now. Basically going to grow it when I feel like growing it and cut it when I feel like cutting it, like a regular person would. So as far as video content, I'm still gonna be making hair videos. I'm compelled to document what I'm doing with my hair. But it's not just about the hair styling, it's also about being comfortable and being happy and accepting of a kinky hair texture. Making these videos helps me feel good about myself, but I'm also connecting with other people who have had the struggle of not having the most widely accepted hair texture. My plan is to generally wear my hair in its natural texture. And I'm also curious to see how quickly my hair is going to grow back out. And I think it could be kind of a cool thing to show you guys the progression of my hair growing in. I don't want cutting my hair to be such a big deal. Having a nappy, kinky hair texture, I've always felt like I've had something to prove. 4C hair, 4A, 4B, type 4 hair can grow. Look how long it is, look how thick it is, look how lush it is. Having short hair, it's like, oh, people think you can't grow your hair. I would like to see my hair long again at some point, but we'll see, because I'm involved in a lot of things right now. Another thing too that I would love to get into is wearing wigs. I want to have the confidence to wear wigs out and get wiggy with it. It's getting a little bit hot, so temperature wise, I'm not too sure with the wig thing. Something that I've noticed cutting my hair is that I'm not as warm as I was before. Like my hair, when I wear my hair out, it's like insulation. It's like a winter hat. It's very wool-like and very traps in a lot of heat. And now I can wear my hair out and I'm not hot. I just want to have more of a relaxed mindset towards my hair.
How much has it grown this month, in 3 months, in 6 months? When's my next trim? How much am I trimming off? Ooh, that's too much. Ooh, I didn't do enough and now my hair's breaking.
It gets to be very stressful. Maybe I won't be crazy about my hair like that, but I'm still gonna make hair videos because I just feel compelled to do it. I can't really explain it, but I also like to make videos. I like making and editing content, so hair videos it is, plus other things. I do a lot, I don't do the absolute super most, but I would say I am at 85% the most, possibly even 90% the most. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. If you are subscribed, share this video or some of my other videos with a friend. Follow me on Instagram at Solar Power Lions, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.